Hey everybody, are you ready to sketch out a magical elephant? Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is divide the page into 4 equal parts, like I'm doing now. Finding the center and then measuring up and dividing it into 4 equal parts. Then you will go to the left-hand side, go about 1/3 in and put a line, a light line. This is where his belly will be. You'll see pretty soon. Remember to sketch super lightly. I'm drawing heavier in this case so that you can see all of the lines. You know what they say, trunks up for good luck. Hey, don't forget you can stop this video and rewind to review some of my fast-paced action here. We're putting in the hat and then we're going to add some more decorations in just a minute. Hey, now that we have the basics of our little magic elephant, we're going to erase things, lighten up all the lines, and maybe you can see how I took the liberty of changing that tail out and making it a little bit bigger, and now we're going to go into the color phase of this project. Here we go, we're going to add some gold to that band that goes around his magic hat, and then detail some things on his magic wand that he's holding in his trunk, and start some basic outlining on this guy. We're going to cover the entire elephant with light gray with my number 2 pencil, and then go over that to give it a smooth appearance with our tortillon or a smudging stick, which you'll see in just a second here. Right there. So now I'm going to add a little bit of color interest by putting a little bit of green, this sort of fluorescent green under him, sort of like a shadow, but also to give a little more contrast and add a little interest with a patch of green color underneath his bottom. Don't forget now, if you like what you see, to like, and for goodness sake, subscribe to my channel, Damon Reinigle on YouTube. Have a great day. Trunks up.